Northeast Lakeview College is the newest of the 5 Alamo colleges. Established in 2007, NLC serves more than 6,500 students in Northeast San Antonio, Bexar, Comal, and Guadalupe counties. Its new Paluxy Hall building will be the college's 10th facility. The 86,390 square foot facility will expand learning and classroom space for science and engineering courses, provide study spaces, academic support, and a third-floor multi-purpose room with the ability to host large events and with awesome views of the lake. Paluxy Hall will also provide space so that NLC can expand its career and technical programs. Future plans and use for the building include expanding nursing programs into NLC service area. Increasing NLC's footprint, the building will expand learning and community engagement opportunities, including but not limited to the following: doubling the capacity in chemistry and biology courses across the campus, increasing the capacity of the Texas A&M Chevron Engineering Academy, becoming a host site for SAC's nursing program and working towards an independently accredited ADN nursing program at NLC, increasing capacity of social media and digital marketing courses, offering astronomy as a science option for students, and expanding physics offerings and increased capacity with dedicated lab space. Paluxy Hall will also allow Northeast Lakeview College to host larger campus and district events in its multi-purpose Bluebonnet Room. The Bluebonnet Room includes one large banquet-style room that can also be divided into 3 smaller conference-style areas and will be available soon for community rental. To learn more about Paluxy Hall or our future plans to rent out the facility, visit alamo.edu/nlc/Paluxy.